teacher at the core of my soul.
By me, it's probably something like love.
I love infecting other people with things I love.
What's all about this? It's all about purpose.
I'm a programmer's daughter. I can do everything.
What is teaching for you?
Understanding and explaining. Explaining and understanding.
By me, it's probably something like love, because you express your, I don't know, feelings to other people by doing something really important for them. So basically, that's it.
Great. So why did you decide to become Quantori Academy volunteers?
I'm just a teacher at the core of my soul.
And by me, Oksana invited me here, but I'm also like a third generation of teachers in my family. So my grandma is a teacher, my mother is a teacher, and I'm also a teacher.
I love infecting other people with things I love.
So what do you love here in Quantori?
Actually, almost everything, because I love what we do. Because for me, like all this, like social mission and everything is really important. I can see that I do my part to make the world better.
So in general, how do you feel your teaching experience? Do you like it or not? Maybe it's just complicated for you.
Well, it was fine. I mean, yes, there were some difficulties along the way, but it's actually what I like. I like challenge, but it was definitely rewarding, and I had a lot of fun preparing for the lectures and giving the lectures.
Great. Kristina, what's about you?
I used to be a teacher at a small university, so basically I had an experience with working with students. So basically for adults you can teach some boring but essential stuff, and for kids you just can't do this because they would get bored and never attend your course again. So basically that was my biggest challenge, to make those lessons interactive, interesting for children, and also like so they could enjoy this more than hate.
We use Scratch because it's really simple. It's a language it's a special learning language developed in MIT. So there you don't actually write code, but you just collect them from blocks like Lego. Building blocks. So it's pretty simple, it's easy to start, and we can do a lot of fun projects. For example, children created their own cartoons, and they wrote 2 different games. It was really fun to build them and to play it and enjoy it in the end.
Kristina, did you enjoy to play the game they wrote?
Yeah, and I guess Oksana has a video where we prepare for our lessons and also play this game which we developed during our course.
And, so. And our colleagues have fun too, watching us doing some weird stuff.
Can you try to recall the funnest situation during your practice?
That girl, it was probably a bit difficult for her at first, but then so she was sort of frustrated, but then she said, I'm a programmer's daughter, I can do everything. It was true.
We had a boy, his name was Andrew, and by the end of our course, our help assistant Irena told us that this boy told his father that he was really busy doing some programming stuff. So please don't bother me. I'm doing really great things with programming, and yeah, he really liked it. So basically, I guess that's the point why I love teaching, when somebody who probably could have some difficulties at the beginning could at the end do something great and then realize that what he has or she has done is really great. For me, the most important thing is bringing some purpose to this world. I guess it's also about teaching and about my main work. So it's all about this. It's all about purpose.
I love challenge because here you constantly have to learn something new, and you can. That's from Alice from Wonderland phrase that you have to run as fast as you can just to stay at the same level. So I love this feeling when I have to constantly run and learn something new, and every day I become a better version of myself. Come join us, you will probably like it, and it will help you open your inner child.
I could also say that actually we have a lot of programs and new lections in our minds, and we already have discussed it, and it would be super cool if you would join us and help us build something really great for our children, for our people. So yeah, we have a great community. We will support all your ideas, probably. Yeah. And together we will build something really great.